Monday, October 28, 1974. Two Mormon missionaries, Gary Darley and Mark Fisher, disappeared and were never seen again. The last person that they were known to be with was Robert Cleason, who just so happened to live right behind a taxidermist shop where he worked. But what came out of their deaths was actually inspired by the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. But there was also an event that took place that was so horrific it inspired the same movie. This is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the true stories, what happened before and what happened after.